Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm back to show you where to get lead inside of Subnautica 2. So the first place that I really encountered a lot of it is to the north, kind of in the direction of the giant, weird, fleshy coral monolith in the distance. I'm currently at the Lifepod, so we're going to just jump out here and sort of head in that general direction. What we want to do is we want to go to the Welcome Home Center. There's a base up to the north. If you haven't been there yet, I suggest you go explore it so as to avoid spoilers from any other tutorials that you might encounter. And then once we get to that particular base, we're going to hang a right. More or less what I'm saying is the destination we're trying to get to is to the northeast. So you have one of two options. You can go to the Welcome Center, which is probably about as quick as what we're planning on doing because of this current. We're gonna rip through this current down here that's in that little chasm off to the left side of that broken down base that's all torn up over there. It's called Camp 1. And here's that Welcome Home base that I was telling you about. Once you're out of the current, you can hop up here, and there's a little capsule entrance that you can pop into to get air. If you haven't done this area yet, it might be locked. And then once you're done, you're still facing north. You want to head over here to the right or to the east. As you're ducking through here, you might want to go down there. There's another little hidden home base area that you can get some upgrades from. But just keep on heading this direction to the east, and inside of this area along the bottom, you'll start to find lead as you get towards the edge of this ravine. So that's more titanium. Somewhere as we get over here, you'll start to see it. It's kind of purpley, and it's very obvious. So as we keep exploring more to the south along this area, here we go. On this eastern edge, there's big chunks of lead that you need the giant resonator to get. But you'll also find smaller chunks of lead kind of interspersed along this ridge here. You see where it kind of ends? And that's the edge of the map. Well, here we can find the bigger chunks of lead and individual chunks of lead just kind of hanging out here on the rim. And then that's it. That's where you find lead, and now you're a step closer to unraveling the mysteries of Subnautica. And there's also this broken down piece of the... Oh, that's a big old sharky boy. Of the smaller Subnautica ship for this game. So make sure you scan that before you head home. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at where you find lead inside of Subnautica 2. It's in a couple of different little pocketed areas, but that's the area where I have found the largest amount of it. So until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.